What's up guys, Ryan here. In this video, I just want to show you how you can find more information about the massive catalog of print-on-demand products that Printful has available for us to sell via the Printful integration with e-commerce websites like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, to name a few. Really, by the way, take advantage of all of those if you're not already. I have a whole course dedicated to how I sold six-figure print-on-demand sales in 2019. If you're looking to learn, it's 10 modules, 60 lectures. It's worth checking out. I always put a link in the description. But back to what I wanted to talk about in this video. I just want to show you how you can find way more info than I think a lot of people are aware is out there. So by coming to the product screen and then go to search products, type the product that you're looking for. I just helped somebody out with this via one of my groups, one of my students, and they were looking for more info on coffee mugs. And it's easy to overlook, but there's a little link here. So if I zoom in, underneath the product title, it says product info, pricing, and guidelines. So if we click that, it does a little pop-up here, and it gives us a description that we could move into our product listings on the website that we're pushing to if it's not pulled in automatically. Now, I think like if you push to Etsy, it may get pushed automatically. But if you push to Amazon, I think that would need to be a manual process. So you could consider doing that if you wanted to. It says things though, like it's ceramic, gives you the dimensions. This is not the packed dimensions, by the way. So when you go to create product listings in Printful, I think if you push them via the Printful integration, you won't actually need to provide this stuff. I think it might be either included by default or the shipping profile is selected by default, which would mean that you're not buying your shipping through Etsy anyways, which is why they actually ask you for the weight and the size when packed. That's so if you're going to buy shipping labels through them at their discounted rate, that they'll have the info and be able to correctly calculate what you need. But if you're pushing through the integration, Printful's going to ship anyways, so you can't buy your labels through Etsy. Anyways, just note that this is the actual product height and diameter here, not while packed. Dishwasher, microwave safe, made in China, printed in their facilities in USA and Europe, and regulatory compliance documentation here. I've never checked that out, but I guess if you needed it for some reason, it's there. I have sold products on Amazon where you have to provide an SDS, a safety data sheet, so maybe it's something like that. Next tab over, print file templates. So this is actually pretty cool. It helps you, and not every product probably has this, but for instance, coffee mugs, they give you things like this that show you how placement of graphics works when you're uploading them to the mugs. And what's cool is like you don't really even need it. By the way, if you need to pull into Photoshop, they also give you the PSD file, so they make it real easy. But check out the wizard here. Actually, before I jump to the wizard, let's look at reviews real quick. This last tab, reviews, shows you what people who have actually ordered it. I think this is mainly Printful sellers. Maybe they're using the Printful sample order functionality to, just do test orders. By the way, if you didn't know that was available, Printful will give you a couple sample orders each month, 20% discount, free shipping. So absolutely use it. It's worth it. And you can see sometimes people even provide pictures of their, I don't know. I don't want to say test order. Maybe it's not a test order, but either way, pictures of the product that they ordered through Printful, so you can get a nice idea of what's possible. Which, I mean, look at the Sunhill Orchard one. That's like a full print on the entire mug, and it looks great. So normally when I do prints, it's more along the lines of like this, where it's not full, but you get ideas, you get inspiration from checking out the review tab as well. And just to show you guys, like they do give us the file templates for things like this, but if you just upload graphics to the wizard. This is just a demo design that I have. You'll notice that their wizard is actually, I'm zooming out real quick. Their wizard is real easy to use. Like it makes it easy. There's like a little snap function to position your product, position the design on the product. And, you can also check this box. This is just for mugs specifically, but check this box, duplicate image on both sides. And you'll notice that it did that for us. So now it's going to be on the left side and the right side. You have this mockup view tab, which usually takes a little while. Nope, it's running fast today. Look at that. And it'll generate these mockups dynamically for us of how the end resulting product will look. That's really nice. There used to be additional mock-ups. I'm wondering if they got rid of them. They used to have like donuts and pineapples and watermelon, and they were like really cool tropical colored backgrounds. So I'm not sure where those went, but and then they added this new 3D view thing. I just saw an email for this the other day, and I've only looked at this like once before, but this is really, really cool that they're able to dynamically create this kind of a mock-up on the fly, because it's one thing to just like render a 3D object in the browser and let us kind of like click around and look at it, but like this also has our design positioned on it and it responds correctly to us changing how we're viewing the product. So anyways, I don't want this video to drag out. I just wanted to show you guys that this stuff is out there. I only showed you coffee mugs, but you can check different product types. Like if I type t-shirt, the same goes for most of the products that aren't like brand new. So this is the Gildan 64000. I love this shirt. Again, they have a unique description for this shirt. For instance, like 100% ring spun cotton, if you're wondering, 10% polyester. And actually, it looks like it varies based on the color you select. So the dark heather, 65% polyester, 35% cotton. Things worth noting. They give you the dynamic pricing for whether you do like embroidery, because t-shirts can be embroidered through Printful, or the pricing for direct-to-garment printing, which, by the way, if you didn't know, you can get it printed on the chest, the back, both sleeves, and even the inside label. So there's a lot of options. I don't think they do embroidery on the sleeves, but I think they do embroidery on front and back if you choose. Print file templates and reviews. So that's just a couple different product types. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is out there. If you want to learn more about the products, that's an easy way to do it. Also, real quick before I sign off, just want to remind you guys that this new order button that's in the top left corner of the screen, if you click that and click sample order, so you'll notice here on the right hand side it says 20% discount, 2 orders a month, 3 products per order. This is just my test account. If you're on like an established account that's moving good volume, like my main account, you get more orders with more products per order each month. All you have to do is do what I just did, click new order, click a shop, click sample order, and then add products. And you get 20% off plus free shipping. So if you want to find out more about these products before you sell them or while you sell them, I mean, whatever, as long as your customers are happy, right? Yeah, you can take advantage of the sample order functionality. And again, when I said whatever, I don't mean whatever. Like I said earlier, you can come in here and look at the reviews of existing products and see if people who have been selling them are happy with them. So for instance, here again, the Gildan 64000, if you've never sold this before, seen it before, it's not like you have to order a sample, because you can see after 339 reviews, it's got a 4.5 star average review. So do your due diligence, but typically Printful is good about making sure everything is done to a high standard, stocking up high quality products for you to print on. At least that's my personal opinion. I have done comparisons from Printful to their competitors in the past, and I think they really stand out above the rest. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found it helpful, please just do me a small favor, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.